before. There's no question that Sandy was a superstorm. We know that now. But even when it became a depression a week out on October 22nd, there were hints it could be a monster. Senior meteorologist Stu Ostro sent out an email saying the two scenarios portrayed by the models would be either the most massive deployment in the history of the Weather Channel or zero deployment. At 2 a.m. on the 24th, I wrote in my blog, "Wow, what an extraordinarily unusual scenario. What seemed like a fluke of an idea, a hurricane-like system hitting the northeastern U.S., is gaining credibility." On that Thursday, October 25th, the National Hurricane Center updated its forecast cone. All of the computer models now showed that famous left turn. Then on the 27th, in the 5 a.m. advisory, the Hurricane Center announced its decision not to issue any tropical watches or warnings north of North Carolina. Instead, the local National Weather Service offices would be responsible for all of the alerts for Sandy. That meant there were no official hurricane warnings. A few hours later at 11 a.m., the first storm surge forecast for the Northeast was issued by the Hurricane Center, 4 to 8 feet above normal high tide from Maryland to Connecticut. My blog that Saturday night was titled Sandy, Serious as a Heart Attack. 2 a.m. on the 28th, the surge forecast goes up. Then it's raised once again 6 hours later. Senior meteorologist Stu Ostro weighed in about noon that day. History is being written as an extreme weather event continues to unfold. A meteorologically mind-boggling combination of ingredients is coming together. A track of the center making a sharp left turn toward New Jersey in a way that's unprecedented in the historical database. And then landfall day, Monday morning, October 29th. The headline in the National Hurricane Center advisory, Sandy strengthens, expected to bring life-threatening storm surge. At 7 p.m., Sandy is designated as technically post-tropical. At 8 p.m., just an hour later, it makes landfall near Atlantic City, New Jersey. So, Jim,